don't say.
And throwback
This video
Thursday.
don't say.
Throwback Thursday. Throwback Thursday. You have to.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to Paddy Paddy. We're here again. We're not even really sure. Maybe it's 5, 6, 2, or 1 now. Or maybe it's the center one. Wait, but you help me look. Which one?
5.
5? Okay. Hello, everybody.
Yo!
Yeah, welcome to Paddy Paddy. They say we're on 5.
Yes, we're on 5.
So let's move the ministry forward. They enter and tell us something now. We're not really sure what they said. So we're just going to say, okay, let's let the next thing come on.
Yes. But first and foremost, we're going to introduce ourselves. For those of you who are just joining this ministry for the first time,
yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, we go by the name
Mayowa
and
Ogbalo.
Yes. So now welcome on to the Paddy Paddy show, and thank you very much. Happy New Month.
Happy New Month. It's the 1st of September. Yay!
Yes. September.
Excitement. Who you help?
Who you help? Who have you helped in your life?
What you have to do with your life?
Hey,
since the beginning of the year.
February, March, April, May, June,
July, August. Now September. What you have to do with your life?
At least some people carry belly. What do you do? What have you done?
That is something.
Yes.
That is something.
What
have you do with your life?
Oh.
What have you do with your life? What have you do with your life? You really have to tell me. What have you do with your life? What have you do with your life? Oh, do with your life, do with your life, do with your life. We don't really know what's next.
Yes. So now, ladies and gentlemen, I know what's next.
Okay, you know.
I know. Jidenna. I'm a classic man. Oh, you kidding me when I know Nini? I'm a classic man. Some of you don't know that Nigeria guy.
That's not what he said. I'm a classic man.
Yeah.
Look at me when I'm singing in the pit. I'm a classic man.
Okay. Jidenna come Nigeria, you come and breezy here, just come follow us gist or carry gist. You understand? So right now, just to play, maybe just show the clips of some of the interview we'll get with the French guy, you understand? Jidenna himself, the Igbo boy.
I'm a classic.
Yes, so more you watch it.
I'm a classic man.
You can be me when you look this clean, I'm a classic man. Calling on me like a young OG, I'm a classic man. Yeah, in fact, my full name is Jidenna D.K. Theodore Moguson. Jidenna means embracing the Father, holding the Father, which is, when my father passed 5 years ago, I knew that after that I would make sure that I was embracing the best elements of him. And of course, since he and I are Nigerian, I had to bring that out in the fashion and whatnot. Like a diamond, we don't live by the law. Well over a decade. Even if she go away. Yeah. The last time I was in Lagos was 5 years ago. To bury my father in the East. But it's crazy seeing the developments. Like if you leave for like more than a year, everything will change. I even remember like 10 years ago, there and they're like, we are fashion, like the new thing. So people would go to the mall just to look around like this. And now there's so many malls and so many things to do. So it's great to see the progress every year. Oh, it's the best it's been ever. And I say that because it's not about just Nigeria. Look at Africa, look at the Caribbean.
If you look as clean as me, I'm a classic man or something. If you want to watch more about it,
you could be me if you look this clean. I'm a classic man.
Whatever.
You understand?
Whatever.
We don't notice. We don't shout.
Whatever. Stay glued to Wazobia
Max. Just watch Wazobia Max. They play Jidenna.
We'll be giving you.
No go walk. Just sit down there.
Just sit down there. They watch it. Don't do anything. You want chop, no chop.
For those of now, they crush on the guy.
No big phone.
They lick screen.
Not do anything. Just stay glued.
Stay glued.
And be watching it.
You'll be glued to Wazobia Max.
That is it. Okay, so moving on. At this junction, where this way they give you, I'm not really sure. So we don't really know if there's break or not.
No. Fire down.
Fire down.
I know, and we know how we want to do now.
Revamp.
Fire down.
Fire down. Okay. It's a game Thursday.
Yes.
Another day for me to redeem myself. My image of the smart woman on the show. It's time for me to redeem myself. He has reigned for too long.
Thank you.
So
all the men, how far? All the men, ahu. You understand? Thank you very much. Last week now we win.
All the women say meow. All right, okay, Okay, so we'll start with this particular game. And I don't get familiar with Samsung, but I'll just explain it anyway. We go pick card. And when we pick a particular card, I go need to describe the word where they inside that card.
Yes.
Using 3 words.
Yes.
I will describe the word written in that card with 3 other words.
Yes.
So, for example, if the word where they write inside na phone, if na the word where they write inside na phone, I go maybe use something like text or ring or call. Take describe them for you to take notes in a phone.
Or for example, if you just say something like kolo, you can't say shallow. Or you can't say witchcraft.
They will describe you.
They can't say mayowa.
They will describe
you. If it just
you.
work, you
I wound
understand?
you.
So
Respect
there's no break right now. After the break, we'll start the game.
I go push you come up for sure.
Something like that.
I'll push you come up for
sure.
sure.
And the example what they give.
Respect yourself.
Kolo,
Respect.
witchcraft,
Look, we are both mature people.
and shallowness.
Respect yourself.
3 words to describe a noun.
You people will not take it on break.
That
Out of you.
noun, like mayowa, now.
Do it.
The best ever. The best, oh yeah. Flip your hair, flip your hair, flip your hair, flip your hair. Woo! Woo! Yeah!
No, no. That's a lie,
Oh,
but
this
you know
woman.
that's a. But you know. You know.
Stop her, I beg.
You know. Ah, please, that's a lie. Feel it.
From my hair. Hey!
See another one there. See another one there. Catch him.
No, leave that one. That
There you go.
shall not key. That shall not key.
Okay, so let's start with the game. Who's going to start first, you or me?
Now you now, I know say now
Moi.
the first, they fall hand.
Okay. White cards.
All right,
white
ladies and
cards.
gentlemen, 3 words to describe 1 word. 3 words to describe 1 word. And we'll see as it go take B, okay? All the men representing for you, or balls, baby. And
I can't use this one because it was the example we gave.
Yeah.
Yes.
All the ladies representing for you, Mayalistic Mayawa. Last week, some of you thought I was just lucky. But this week, let's see how it goes, all right?
Okay.
Drop it.
All right. Are you ready?
I'm ready, girl.
Skinny. Beautiful. Crazy. I'm done.
Mayawa. I know you guys will look at that. So, I don't win.
Yes, you got it.
So,
I just described moi.
I beg. We go to put all those kinds of things.
I just described moi.
I beg, Jari.
Thank you very much.
White card.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wait.
you.
Waka.
Very
No, they
much.
do this.
You're so bitter. You're such a bitter
Oh,
child.
yeah. My own now. Letters.
Yeah.
Page. Read.
Book. Oh, you know, when you're smart, it's just so...
Now they clap, ne?
When you are
Now
smart,
they pattern for wait.
I am such a smart kid.
We are used to collecting applause.
No, you people, you're belittling us.
So 1-1.
You people
How
are...
many they put for this place? No. Now, for now.
See, you remain.
Amen. Oh, yeah. My, I don't look this one.
No, I didn't.
Oh, Lord.
No, I didn't.
Yeah.
I really didn't.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Glasses. Insane. Dances. Glasses. Insane. Can dance. Can really dance. It's so cute when he dances.
Oh, Bolo. Hold on, I say.
I mean- You didn't get it. I had to give you a spoon. I had to say he is so cute when he dances because I always say that to you. Because I always say that to you. You knew.
No, get it. When you are sharp, you are sharp.
It's a lie.
Some people don't have retentive memory.
You will not have retentive memory.
They
It's
talk
because
this
I always say that to you. That's
Anyway,
how you know.
I don't carry 2 now. She's still on 1. Let's see if she can still redeem herself. What's the worry you?
I'm winning. I'm winning. Describe it well because you are wicked.
Okay.
You are very wicked.
Guessing. Competition.
Game.
I said you look this in my
I don't look am.
You look am.
I don't look am.
You look am.
I don't look
This guy
am.
that thief.
I don't look am.
You are a modern thief.
How I want to look am?
Yeah.
I don't look am. I'm
lie.
smart.
Na lie.
You cannot come to the terms
Na
with
lie.
the fact that
Because-
moi.
No, they clap.
You
No, they
cannot.
clap.
You cannot.
What's the worry? No, let clap. What is wrong? What is wrong with you? Eh?
You cannot come to terms
why she
that
want to carry her
I am
own?
a smart woman.
Why she-
You cannot come to terms
Mama, please.
that I am a smart
We know they do
woman.
this thing
I'm a
again.
classic
We know they
woman.
do this thing again. Wait till you hear
Look
this
at
one.
me, look at me, look
Ah,
at me,
say,
look at me.
we know-
I'm a classic woman.
See, ladies and gentlemen,
look at me,
please.
look at me, look at me.
When I remember saying when she picked her own for that time, I said, Maya, you look this thing.
No,
This girl is a sharp bad
Ogolo,
girl.
I didn't.
Bad sharp girl and sharp bad girl.
I am a smart woman.
No, Maya, I'm taking that thing again because
Oh,
even when you pick at that
Lord.
time, I say you don't do this one.
I'm a smart
No
woman.
way.
This is another. This is
I
a
go
different
pick- I go call
card.
am.
This is a different
Different
card.
card, I go call
for
am.
a different game.
Yes, we'll use it. We'll borrow their card for this particular game. What's wrong with you? Only. Hey.
It's a different game. How do you want?
No,
You're
this
so
one.
dull.
No
How do
worry.
you want to describe it a different game?
Is it your dolly? Is it your dolly? Allow me to door my door. Now, this one now. Thank you very much. Pink card.
This is disqualified though, but just to humor you, okay.
Animal.
Play something.
Jump. Zoo.
Kangaroo?
No. Two more options.
Frogs? Frog
No.
jumps. Kangaroo jumps. Basically, almost all animals jump. So are you going to be specific on what? Ogolo, don't try me.
Don't tell you what.
I'm a smart woman. Don't try me.
I don't. You continue
Because
giving
your
options.
description does not make sense.
Eh.
You are giving
Okay.
general description.
Okay, because listen, that's you know go use that go wait for
You are
you.
giving general description. That is it. Look,
Afu.
accept it, my darling.
Now, wait, that's what-
accept it.
that's what?
That I'm a smart woman.
Nobody
Say
they
it.
follow you,
Say
they
it,
argue
feel
your
better.
smartness.
Say it.
When you emphasize your smartness, you are
feel,
not smart.
You feel better. You
when
feel
you
better.
emphasize your smartness,
Honey,
you are not smart.
admit it, you
when you
feel better.
emphasize your lack of depth, you are shallow. Finish. Oro, ieta.
Things you say.
Yes, yes. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's what it will be. For now, we don't leave her for that place because this one now, I win today on and it's to be continued. All right? So, any I take B. Okay. So, Jaguar, can we help you? Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, you know,
We are very uncultured on this
one
show.
witchcraft.
Very uncultured.
We not send anybody. We not send. This country is
No,
not.
Ogolo, when you say it
what?
like that, you sound rude. Hello, everyone. We just want to let you know that on this show, we didn't really send anybody down.
At all.
No, we didn't really send anybody. You know, so we just come and give it to you as it is because there's too much cover-up going on.
Yes.
We don't have that kind of time.
Yes.
We just bring it to you as it is hot.
Yes.
We don't really have time to be
Look at
sugarcoating anything.
look at the world.
We look at the world
Look at
today.
the country.
There's really no time to be sugarcoating anything.
What are you sugarcoating?
So when anybody comes and tell you something, just
Yes.
ask him straight, what do you want?
What do you want?
So now they have come to tell us it's time for Laugh the Laugh.
So yes, we tell the guy, what do you want?
Ó ṣe kí ni? Ó kìkì ẹ̀.
Acrobatics. Acrobatics. When you don't hide
Yeah,
for
that
your
is the
wedding, that guy drink for motor.
But you know, there are some people who be say they go drink. They go tell you say, I no go fit, I shy. I go drink, I go gas drink. If not, I no go fit.
That one day.
But is it really advisable?
It's not
though?
advisable. It's not advisable. Some men, I don't do wedding before where groom to start to cut cake. And they cut cake, get like this.
Shy.
It don't day.
Shy.
You understand? So alcohol is not the best way. Okay. Most importantly, just get your guys, your goons around you. They will hype you. The ginger. That's why among your groomsmen, may just get your correct guys there.
I said, look your baby and I want to tango.
Tango, Abi.
Yes, just tango. No, that's salsa. Tango is gim, gim, gim. Gim.
Ladies and gentlemen, no worry. Happy New Month one more time. We'll wrap up the show at this particular junction. Mayowa, give it to them as a hot.
Follow us on Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. Follow us on Instagram at Mayowa Ekpo, at Ogbolo. Follow us on Twitter at Mayowa Lambe, at Funny Ogbolo. You can also catch us on Facebook and YouTube. www.facebook.com, www.youtube.com/Wazobia TVNG. Follow us on Paddy, and we're right there with you. Motutabo. I said we're right there
for you.
Hey. Oh, joy.
We're right there with you. We're right there with you. So, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see you tomorrow. God bless you.
To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.